So it's probably nothing, but it's been on my mind sometime and I can't let it go. I know.
Oh, yes.
Oh no, I'm a mess. What is that?
Instagram. No. You need to look at the. You need to read. Yeah, maybe you can hold this. This is not. So I mean, you've already read all of that lah. So this perfectly sums up who you are to me. My literally everything, my joy, my confidant, my counsel, my anger manager, my life coach, my boo, you're all these and more. Though through everything I've said about how much you've done for me and how much you mean for me, I hope I'll be able to do the same for you. And though I know there's small things that I can do to be better for you, it means so much to me. Your smile, laughter, happiness and well-being are questions I want to spend my entirety of my life answering. So would you do me the honors of letting me know if I've done a good job from day to day to your last? So will you? Oh dear. Natalie Young, marry me. Because it was happy birthday.
It's my birthday.
Oh.
You're so skinny. Look at you.
What is that supposed to mean? I don't know this.
Is it all from my Instagram?
Half from my Instagram, half from my Instagram.
Moment to live in, and I'm hoping it stays a while in this place you were in. And I froze, and I reckon I missed it when all of the